Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest, hip, and happening entertainment news. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. In the latest episode of Living the Dream with Somizi, Somizi finally addressed his breakup with former Idol's colleague and BFF Unathi after Unathi cancelled him back in October 2021. Unathi posted back in 2021 that she will not allow people to listen to R. Kelly's music because he was convicted of sexual abuse. Unathi was then called out for having double standards because she was friends with Somizi, who had those abuse allegations made by Mohali. Unathi responded by saying that she was not friends with Somizi and even unfollowed him on all her social media platforms. Vusinova asked Somizi on today's episode of Living the Dream with Somizi about what is actually happening between him and Unathi. Somizi replied and said, "Honestly, I was shocked, I was disappointed, but it is what it is. Sometimes when people show you who they are, you leave them." Somizi went on to say that he never wants to speak to her again and she must not even look at him. "Someone that I thought we were okay with went public," he continued. "The devil does not want to see me prosper. This day has been a day and a half," he added. "If I have to work with her in the same space with her, it's not my nature to say it's either me or somebody else. I'm not going to take bread away from somebody who feeds her kids and family and stuff. I'm going to make sure that my space and peace is protected. I never want to talk to her again. I never want to speak to her again," he said. "I will be professional. Being professional doesn't mean that when she says something, I must agree with her. But I'm going to make it clear before I even start that this person must never even look at me," he said.